course, it can make for an awful beginning into your day if your vehicle won't start.
69 News reporter Rosa Itzkovitz talked with an automotive expert. She is joining us live from Austin's Auto Service Repair and Towing out in Bethlehem. Rose.
Yeah, hi guys. It is so cold out here. All I want to do is rush in the car and turn it on in these freezing cold temps. But then what happens? Oh no. So here's what to do when it happens to you.
In bitter cold temps, no one wants to finally get inside the car just to hear this. But unfortunately, the colder it is, the more likely that happens.
No, just like us. We love 70-degree temperature, so do batteries. Anything under 70, they actually have less power.
So then, imagine what our car batteries are like at temps closer to 0.
You hear the engine cranking very slow or solid clicks.
Nelson Tavarez owns Austin's Auto Service Repair and Towing in Bethlehem. He says, especially in newer cars nowadays, getting back to this might take more than just a simple set of jumper cables, thanks to all the amenities in new vehicles these days.
Even if we think we have a good battery, is actually depleting the battery.
So it's good to have something ready that won't require another car to start yours. Lithium battery packs, big or small, can work, and trickle chargers like these here on Amazon provide a safe, slow charge.
Because the faster you charge the battery, the more heat it creates and actually can damage the battery. So you want to charge the battery very slow.
Tavarez says batteries can last up to 7 years. But here in the Northeast, you're more typically looking at 3 to 5 years. You should get yours tested when you get your car inspected or even at each oil change. And even if you have a brand new battery, it can still die in these cold temps if it's not driven regularly.
At least once a week, we tell our customers to drive their vehicle at least 30 minutes and not so much stop and go in traffic.
Even the owner of the shop has roadside assistance, so he says definitely make sure you have something like AAA on hand. Also, replacing a $200 battery is a lot cheaper than the problems that can occur if you don't get it replaced. So make sure you get that battery tested once you do get it jump started. We're live in Bethlehem. Rose Itzkovitz, 69 News.